Being the very first Aston London cohort feels really special. Everything feels new and exciting. My name is Nandan Prakash and I'm from India. Right now I'm studying a Masters in Business Analytics. My interdisciplinary project was about prediction of loan defaulters. Basically, we look at past data to find patterns and help banks know who might default on the loan or who might struggle to pay it. It's like giving them a tool to make a smarter decision. If I have to describe Aston London in one word, it will be opportunity. As after moving to Aston London, the best thing I've found out is about myself, how I've been able to adjust in the fast-paced city. London provides ample of opportunities to work with different people from different background and culture. It has helped me to understand things in a different perspective and also understand how it works on the global market or in the workplace. During the interdisciplinary projects, we have worked along with Adobe, and this has helped me to understand how Adobe Express works and learn a new technology. Aston London has helped me make new friends, learn new things, and I would say it has helped me start a new journey.